Hello, my name is Haley Barron, and today I'll be showing you what I did for my sheep dissection and also locating specific portions of the brain. I will be showing on the outer portion the sulcus and the gyrus, the temporal, frontal, occipital, and parietal lobes, the longitudinal and lateral fissures, and then the meninges that covers the outer layer of the brain. Then on the inside, I'll be showing you the corpus callosum, the thalamus, hypothalamus, midbrain, medulla oblongata, cerebral cortex, and the white matter, also known as the arbor vitae. To show you the outer portion of the brain, I will start with the most interior portion of the brain, which will be our frontal lobes. Right here will be our parietal lobe, and the most posterior portion will be our occipital lobe. Next, dividing the parietal lobe from the temporal lobe is going to be the lateral fissure right here. So we'll have our parietal lobe, lateral fissure, temporal lobe, frontal lobe, and occipital lobe. Dividing the brain into left and right hemispheres is going to be our longitudinal fissure. On top of the brain, the little grooves right here will be known as our sulcus. The ridges will be known as our gyrus. So the sulcus are the grooves, or the gyrus are the ridges. Next, looking at the inner portion of the brain. Before I do that, I will show you the meninges, which was this layer. Easier to show it with this, which is a membranous layer covering the outer portion of the brain. It covered the entirety of the brain, but I cut that off and left that there just for demonstration purposes. On the inner portion of the brain, we will have our corpus callosum. Below that, we'll have our thalamus with our hypothalamus. Next, we will have our midbrain with our medulla oblongata being right here. In between the gray matter is our white matter. The arbor vitae has a branching look to it, almost like a tree. And next we'll have our cerebral cortex on this portion. So again, cerebral cortex, corpus callosum, thalamus, hypothalamus, midbrain, medulla oblongata, cerebral cortex, arbor vitae, which is the white matter. And that is my sheep dissection. Thank you.